Most people work hard their entire lives and still never build real wealth. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack intelligence, but because they fall into one psychological trap they never even notice. They save a little, they invest a little, they get raises, and yet, year after year, nothing truly changes. Time passes, energy fades, and wealth never arrives. Today, we're going to talk about the trap that silently keeps people poor. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And once you escape it, everything about money starts to change. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't fail financially because they make bad decisions. They fail because they make comfortable decisions. Humans are wired to avoid pain and seek immediate relief. Your brain prefers a small reward now over a massive reward later, and the financial world punishes that instinct brutally. This is called present bias. It's the tendency to overvalue today and undervalue the future, and it's the reason most people never build wealth, even with decent incomes. Every month, money comes in and immediately disappears, not because there's nothing left, but because comfort gets first priority. Investing gets whatever scraps remain. And here's the trap. If investing depends on leftovers, wealth will never happen. Ever. Wealthy people don't invest what's left after spending. They spend what's left after investing. That single switch changes everything. The solution isn't willpower. Willpower is unreliable. The solution is systems that remove choice from the equation. Automation beats motivation every time. When investing happens automatically, your brain can't sabotage you with excuses. Start with boring investments, broad index funds, long-term assets, things that grow quietly while you live your life. Wealth is built in silence, not excitement. Most people lose money because they confuse movement with progress. Real investing feels slow, and that's exactly why it works. You don't need genius-level intelligence. You need consistency over long periods of time. Time does the heavy lifting. The biggest difference between the wealthy and everyone else is not income, it's patience. Escaping the trap means accepting short-term discomfort for long-term freedom. And most people never make that trade. But imagine your future self, not stressed, not trapped, not living paycheck to paycheck, just free. Financial freedom doesn't mean luxury, it means control. Control over your time, your energy, your decisions. The question is simple. Will you keep choosing comfort or will you choose progress? Start small. Automate your investments. Increase them as income grows. Think in decades, not months, because the decisions you make today aren't just about money, they're a message to your future self, and that future is closer than you think.